Meta tags, what you need to know for SEO. There is a thing in your mind about what meta tags are and why they're significant, right? Well, how to optimize your metadata for higher clicks by highlighting your USPs and gaining a knowledge of search intent and the optimal links for page titles and meta descriptions. Hello everyone, welcome to SEO Newsroom. For those just entering the field of search engine optimization, the concept of meta tags may be foreign, so there's no need to stress out. We cover all the essentials right here in this video. And before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And let's begin. Meta tags are essential for SEO and ensuring that your site's pages are optimized. These tags go in your page's header to describe it in a Google-friendly format. Meta tag best practices are commonly overlooked when it comes to SEO. Content and links may trump meta tags. Content and links are often more crucial. Optimizing these tags can help Google comprehend your page. So, what are meta tags? HTML meta tags give web page information. Search engines utilize code to determine a page's topic and relevance to a keyword. This data isn't visible to site visitors, yet it affects search results. The blue link at the top of the search results snippet is the page title meta tag. A meta description is another key tag that appears in search results. Meta tags are essential for SEO and ensuring that your site's pages are optimized. These tags go in your page's header to describe it in Google-friendly format. Why are meta tags so important for SEO? Meta tag best practices are commonly overlooked when it comes to SEO. Content and links may trump meta tags. Content and connections are often more crucial, but making sure that you optimize these tags appropriately can help substantially in terms of how Google reads your content. First, know why you'd utilize meta tags. Use the keyword meta tag to explain your product's price range, characteristics, size, etc. Or you may want to share your site's city, state, or nation. Use the location meta tag. If you're writing a blog article, consider adding a category meta tag. Meta tags may do several things: title, description, keyword, picture, alt text, robots, language, and schema markup are all meta tags. What are title tags? The title tag describes your page. Everyone sees your title tag in Google's search results. It must reflect the page's content accurately. When writing a blog article, make sure the page title represents its content. People should know what they are and what they're seeing. Why do specific sites optimize the title tag less than others? It depends on the site. Some sites emphasize video, others text. Some sites specialize in one issue, while others cover many. Many sites don't bother with title tags for various reasons. A quality title tag might help Google comprehend your page. If you're building a new site, your title tag usually won't need much SEO. Once your site gets traffic, track bounce, and conversion rates. By tracking these indicators, you'll know if the title tag is affecting your performance and how to optimize it. What is Google's overview of it? Every page on your site should have a title tag with a page title. Google recommends descriptive page titles. It doesn't like generic page names like home. It doesn't want profile for people's profiles. Unnecessarily long and verbose material may be shortened in search results. Avoid repetitive text in page titles. The boilerplate text confuses consumers and search engines. Google encourages descriptive titles. It discourages long, static text with some exceptions. Don't use unhelpful or uninformative text in page titles. Google hates keyword stuffing, but it doesn't mean your page title can't be descriptive. You should avoid repeating words and phrases. Doing so may look like keyword stuffing to Google and its users. Google allows branding page titles. Google recommends putting it at the beginning or the end of the page title. Make sure it's distinct from other text. Delimiter symbols include colons, pipes, and hyphens. This prevents your site's branding from looking like the page title. Make the title clear. Google evaluates multiple sources when generating title links per its suggestions. These sources include the visual title, body copy, and headings. Google advises altering the page's primary title size. Google advises matching page titles and content. Google may choose the alternate text for the page title link if the title doesn't match the website's main content. The same page title in the H1 tag reduces SERP title rewriting. So, it seems like you understand the concept of meta tags very clearly and enjoyed the learning. If you have any suggestions or comments or questions for us, you're most welcome to leave them here in the comments section. And thanks for watching.